Is this pain a sign of your breakthrough? Ever feel like the universe just hit the delete everything button on your life? Job gone, relationship gone, savings. What savings? You're sitting on the kitchen floor at 3 a.m. wondering how many more blows a person can take before they fold. Meet Maya. 6 weeks ago, she was laid off. 3 weeks later, her fiancé walked out. Last week, her last paycheck disappeared into rent. She told me, "I'm empty, and the tank wasn't big to start with." Sound familiar? Here's the twist. Every time the floor drops out, something new can grow. Joseph had to rot in a pit before he ran Egypt. A seed has to crack before it sprouts. The pain isn't random, it's the syllabus for the next version of you. Think of discomfort as an eviction notice sent to any identity that's overstayed its welcome. The job you lost, rental, the ex, temporary tenant. James says trials make us perfect and complete, lacking nothing. Translation: the shed is ugly, but the space it leaves is exactly the square footage your upgraded life needs. Pressure looks like a pop quiz, feels like a beating, is actually the promotion exam. Stars implode before they go supernova and light up galaxies. Your squeeze is turning fear into faith, doubt into determination. Joseph's prison years looked like divine abandonment. God called them phase 1 of a national rescue plan. So flip the question. Instead of "why me?" ask, "what's this training me for?" You can't begin a new life with yesterday's mindset. Pain forces you to change your way of thinking. When you've got zero control left, surrender stops being a dirty word and becomes the doorway. Romans 8:28 says God works all things together for good. The key word is together, like ingredients in a mixing bowl. Your chaos is the batter. The blessing is already rising while you wait on the timer. A radical acceptance. Say it out loud. This pain is sculpting me, not shattering me. Spot the lesson. Grab a sticky note and write one skill each hardship is teaching you. Future vision. Spend 5 minutes a day watching the you who's already through this. What she's wearing, where she's walking, how she's grinning. Drop "I am ready for my breakthrough" in the comments so we can keep that picture in focus together. If this message resonated with you, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe for more and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. You're not breaking, you're blooming. Slow motion through pressure. Heat softens wax, but it hardens clay. Choose to be clay. A few years from now, you'll look back at this season and realize it was the day you stopped begging life to be easier and started asking yourself to be tougher. Until then, trust God. Your breakthrough is already in the oven.